Project management is one of the most critical aspects of running a successful business, ensuring that tasks are completed on time, resources are allocated efficiently, and teams collaborate seamlessly. However, as projects grow in complexity, managing everything manually becomes challenging. That's where Workzone comes in, a powerful yet user friendly cloud based project management tool designed to help teams stay organized, track progress, and improve overall efficiency. Workzone has been around for over 2 decades and continues to be a reliable choice for businesses looking for a balanced approach to project management. It's not overly complex like enterprise solutions, but offers more advanced features than basic task management apps, making it a perfect fit for teams that need both structure and flexibility. Whether you're a small business, a marketing agency, or an enterprise team handling multiple projects simultaneously, WorkZone can help streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. So, in this guide, I'll walk you through the key features of WorkZone, the benefits it offers, why it's a great choice, and how it can improve project execution in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the task and project management. WorkZone provides a centralized space for managing all your projects and tasks, allowing teams to break down large projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. Each task can be assigned to specific team members, given deadlines, and organized within project folders, ensuring that every step is accounted for. This keeps projects structured and ensures that team members know their responsibilities, reducing confusion and missed deadlines. Another key feature is its customizable project templates. One of WorkZone's most valuable features is its ability to create and reuse project templates. This is especially helpful for businesses that manage similar projects repeatedly, such as marketing campaigns, content creation, or client onboarding. Instead of setting up a new project from scratch each time, teams can quickly deploy a pre built template. This saves time and improves consistency across projects, ensuring that best practices are followed every time. Another key feature is the file sharing and document collaboration. WorkZone includes a built in document sharing system that allows teams to store, edit, and review files in one place. With version control and approval tracking, it's easy to collaborate on documents without worrying about outdated versions or lost files. This enhances collaboration by keeping all project related files in one accessible location, eliminating the need for multiple external storage solutions. Another key feature is the time tracking and resource management. Effective project management is not just about tracking tasks, it's also about understanding how long tasks take and ensuring resources are used efficiently. WorkZone offers time tracking features that help monitor project hours and generate workload reports, allowing managers to allocate resources strategically. This prevents overloading team members and ensures that projects are completed within the estimated time frame. Another key feature is the automated notifications and reminders. Keeping track of project updates manually can be overwhelming. especially when working on multiple tasks at once. Work zones automated notifications and reminders ensure that everyone stays updated on deadlines, task changes, and approvals without constant manual follow ups. This reduces the chances of missed deadlines and helps teams stay proactive rather than reactive. So, why is WorkZone a great choice? WorkZone stands out because it provides a perfect balance between simplicity and advanced functionality. Unlike some project management tools that have a steep learning curve, WorkZone is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for teams to adopt and start using it without extensive training. Another key advantage is its scalability. It works well for small teams handling a few projects and also accommodates large enterprises managing complex workflows. The ability to customize project templates, automate notifications, and integrate with existing workflows makes it highly adaptable for different industries, from marketing agencies and construction firms to financial service teams. Collaboration is at the heart of WorkZone, with real time document sharing, task assignment, and automated progress tracking, ensuring that teams stay on the same page. The inclusion of built in reporting and workload management tools further enhances project visibility, making it easier for managers to allocate resources effectively and keep projects moving forward. So basically, Work Zone is a powerful, flexible, and easy to use project management tool that helps teams stay organized, streamline collaboration, and complete projects efficiently. Whether you're working in marketing, finance, construction, or any other industry, WorkZone offers features that enhance productivity, improve communication, and optimize workflow automation. So, with its robust project tracking, real time collaboration tools, and advanced reporting capabilities, WorkZone remains a top choice for businesses looking for a scalable project management solution in 2025. So if you're looking for a platform that provides structure without unnecessary complexity, WorkZone is worth considering. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.